Most people pick a cash advance app without understanding how different they actually are, and that is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in 2026, small differences in approval systems can completely change how much money you can access. In this video, we are comparing the Klover and the Earnin so you can clearly understand which one fits your financial situation best. Let's start with the basic idea. Both apps are designed to give you early access to your paycheck before payday. They are not traditional loans, and they usually do not require hard credit checks. Instead, they rely on your income and bank activity. Now, here's the immediate difference. Klover focuses more on data-based eligibility and optional engagement features, while Earnin focuses on tracking your worked hours or paycheck history to determine how much you can withdraw. But here's where it gets interesting. These different systems affect how fast you get money and how predictable your limit is. Let's break down Klover first. Klover uses your bank activity and income patterns to estimate your advance eligibility. If your income is stable, you may qualify for consistent small advances. But if your income changes a lot, your limits may fluctuate. For example, Alex with a steady paycheck may see more consistent access. But Jake, who works gig jobs with uneven deposits, might see smaller or less predictable amounts. Now let's talk about Earnin. Earnin works differently. It often tracks your work hours or paycheck schedule. That means if you have a stable job with recorded hours, Earnin can estimate what you've already earned and let you access part of it early. But here's the problem many users run into. If your work schedule is inconsistent or your employer does not support proper tracking, Earnin may limit your access or require more verification steps. In a minute, I'll show you which app is more reliable for different types of income, so you can make the right choice. Now let's compare speed and access. Klover can be fast once your data is verified, but approval amounts may start small. Earnin can also be fast, but it depends heavily on accurate work tracking or paycheck data. Now, let's talk about costs. Both apps may offer free options, but they often include optional tips, express fees, or subscription features. The real cost depends on how quickly you want your money. Now here's the key decision point. If you have a traditional job with stable hours, Earnin often fits better because it aligns with your paycheck cycle. If your income is more flexible or inconsistent, Klover may give you more adaptability. Here's the final takeaway. Earnin is stronger for structured employment. Klover is better for flexible income patterns. Neither is a long-term financial solution, but both can help during short-term cash gaps. So choose based on your income style, not popularity. If this comparison helped you understand the difference clearly, make sure to like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more simple financial breakdowns in 2026.